Welcome back to Small Space Living. Today I want to talk to you about something a little bit different than normal between the RVing and the homesteading. Today I wanted to talk to you about the perfect Christmas gift for the 2022 Christmas season. And that is this little guy right here. I'm going to pop one up here and show you. I'm going to get this real close to the camera so you can see it. There's the front. There's the back. These came from Atmex. This is the year of the line. As you can see there on the coin, they've got several different ones. But basically, what this is a 1 ounce silver round. And I've seen this going around a lot. This actually started with a channel called The Economic Ninja, which is an absolutely great channel if you want to learn more about economics, real estate. He's actually got another channel called The Real Estate Ninja. But I watch more of his economic stuff because he does have a lot of good advice on there, a lot of good stuff that I've learned. So I'll link his channel up here somewhere if you want to go check it out if that's something you're interested in. But what I wanted to talk about was the importance of these right here. These right now, I bought these for around $23 a coin, 1 ounce worth of silver. On the market right now, at the recording of this video, silver's going for around $18 to $19 an ounce. Which is very, very low. You're always going to pay a little premium when you purchase these things, but the Economic Ninja came up with hashtag silver in my stocking. So basically what he's trying to say is, you know, buy a tube of silver coins from, say, an Atmex. I actually ordered mine through Walmart, but they come through Atmex, and you tend to get them a little bit cheaper off of the Walmart site. I don't know why, but they did come through a little bit cheaper, so I was happy with that. So I got these coins, and I ordered some other ones because I had some people going with me. Here's some of the other ones that we ordered. They came in this little blister pack. I'm going to take them out and put them in carriers, but as you can see, they're buffaloes, which I thought was really cool. And then, of course, the back is kind of the same design. But these coins are really cool, and the reason I like this, and I like what the Economic Ninja is trying to push here, is silver is going to go up in price. I really believe that, and to show my belief in that, I've been collecting for a while now, so I've actually got a good buddy of mine, John Copenhaver, who got me into this stuff hard and heavy, and I've learned a lot through him, and I've been collecting for several years now. Not near as many years as he has. He is still what I call the king of silver, but for me, you know, he's got me going, and I've learned so much from him. I'm very thankful for that as well. But it's been an awesome experience. But these right here are a lot easier to get into because it is more tied to the true physical spot price of silver. And I like the 1 ounce rounds better just because, you know, if you ever did need to sell or trade, they're a whole lot easier, in my opinion, to sell or trade versus trying to sell a 10 ounce, you know, round or a 10 ounce bar. I like to stay in that 1 ounce, I guess, dimension area just because I do think it's easier to sell or trade with. Other people may disagree with me. They may have better understanding of how that works than I do, but I've just always thought that those would be easier to deal with, you know, especially because you still can deal in lower values. You know, if you got a 10 ounce, somebody's got to come up with, you know, $500 or $600, where if you got a 1 ounce, and hopefully, hey, hopefully silver will hit $500 or $600 and, you know, per ounce, and these will be worth that. You know, I don't know, but I do know that $18 to $19 is way too low for silver. Back in the 80s, you know, silver actually hit close to $50 an ounce, which was the highest. This was back in the early 80s, which was the highest that it ever got to. So you know, I would not be surprised with the current economic situation to see these potentially hit that again. You know, I'm not guaranteeing nothing. I don't know anything about that. You know, it's just it's all on supply and demand. But the thing about silver is right now the price of silver is actually so low that it's almost undervalued on mining. It costs more to mine it than they can sell it for. So that is slowing down the new silver. And, you know, I'm sure if you look around the markets, you'll see that silver is getting harder and harder to find. And even though the price isn't going up, the premiums are. And that right there tells you sooner or later that price is going to start following those premiums. So, but like I said, I just really like this. I think this is something really cool to buy for kids. You know, you can get a whole tube for $500 and do, you know, 10 to 20 people for Christmas. You know, even if you do the half ounce coins or whatever, you know, it is nice to take this silver off of the market, put it in the hands of your friends, your family, who, you know, at some point or another, this could really benefit them. And the more we take off of the market, obviously, the more it's going to push that price up, because it does impact that supply and demand. But I just think this is really cool. It gives, you know, especially for young kids, you know, my mom did try to get me into this stuff when I was younger, and I just really didn't get into it till I got a little bit older and learned a little bit more about the importance of silver. But, you know, this stuff goes into everything. So I really do think that, you know, as demand for other stuff goes up, that silver goes into, and just the demand to own silver goes up, you know, it's going to be really good. And you know, you can buy silver in your 401s, you know, but that is paper silver. So that is something to keep in mind. This right here is true physical, you know, silver. You got it in your hand to where, you know, it's just like, you know, if you buy, say, SLV, which is a silver trading stock on the market, you know, that's just paper. I mean, it's supposed to be backed by silver, a lot of it. It's supposed to be stored in a bank somewhere, but, you know, don't trust that. Only trust what you have in your hand physically, and that is what I love about this stuff right here. So anyway, I just wanted to give a shout out to the Economic Ninja and say I love your concept. I love your idea on this for hashtag silver in my stocking. And I really hope that other people buy into this. I think it's a really cool concept. It's going to give the younger generation a better concept of the importance of silver. You can do this with gold too, but I like silver because it is more affordable. Gold is pretty expensive right now, so you know, I know not a lot of people can go out and buy 20 gold coins. I know I can't buy one, so so I do like doing it with the silver concept a whole lot better. But, you know, it's just a really cool thing. I like getting the younger people involved, letting them know the importance of it. I think this is a good way for that. But also for, you know, just for your general family members, they can take this and hold it, and hopefully down the road, you know, within the next year or two, they can have a lot of value out of this. You could take a $20 gift and turn it hopefully into $50 down the road here, because this stuff is seriously undervalued, and I really do see this going up. So I hope y'all agree. If you like this video, put it down in the comments, hashtag silver in my stocking, if this is something you're thinking about doing. I know that's a trend that they're trying to get going on different things. So I will say put that down in the comments if this is something you would consider doing for your family. I think it's a cool idea. But now I'll show you something even cooler. I will show you my full collection of stuff I've collected over the years. I actually pulled it out and took it out of its private hidden safe just to show for this video. But I will show you everything pretty much that I have, what I've collected over the years, and very proud of this collection and hoping that it someday pays off as a great investment. I really think that it will. I'm very happy that I've been able to collect over the years here, and again, very thankful to my buddy John, who's really taught me a lot about this market. So with that said, I'll take you back here and show you the full collection and see what you think. But leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video. Again, if it's something you think you might do for your family. And also what you think about the silver market. Is this something you're interested in learning more about? And I will say the Economic Ninja is a good place to go learn it. But there's a ton of places too. You know, if you don't trust me or him, there's a ton of other places to go. So without further ado, we'll go back here. But hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, get this video shared out, and here we go. So I've spread these out on the bed in my RV, but these right here are just Morgan dollars and capsule holders. They haven't been graded, and these are actual silver coins that have been graded by different grading companies, just kind of like baseball cards or anything else. So you can see all the ones I have here, and most of these are Morgan dollars of different years. For example, you can see this is 1879. So really old coin, but just really pretty coins too. And obviously the higher the grade, the better. This is actually a commemorative coin that was graded. You can see it as a MS69, which is almost a perfect grading. MS70 is as high as it goes. But I will just keep on scrolling across here. And some of these are from different grading companies. Here's some of my loose silver that I have. Just different stuff. Here's Kennedy $50. It's got some silver in it. But here's some more graded coins. So, and then these here are my commemorative coins that I actually bought from the U.S. Mint or just from different places over the years. But they typically have different designs. Like this is the baseball, so this was the first concave coin that the U.S. Mint ever minted. So that was kind of cool. But you can see, I mean, just all kinds of very cool designs. This is a Medal of Honor coin for the U.S. military. So just very, very cool stuff. And I have a lot of these commemorative coins. And a lot of them come in these double sets like you see here. So just a lot of silver. I love the military coins and all the sports coins. Just really cool Olympic coins. Here's a Marine Corps coin. So, and we are almost to the end. But as you can see, a lot of silver here. I just wanted you to see this to know that I'm just not talking. That this is something I really believe in and I have bought into myself. So I hope you enjoyed seeing my overall collection. I'll give you a good side view here. So that is my current full collection. I've got about 150 coins in here and absolutely love it. So thank you all so much for watching. Bye y'all.